Okay, another example of a solving system by graphing. I'm going to do a better job on this one than the last one. I got some brain clouds on that one. So this one I'm going to do better on. Okay, well the first one, 4x plus y equals 11, and the second equation, x plus y equals -2. So we're going to find points for each of these, draw the two lines and see where they cross, and that will be our answer. Okay, so again, I'm going to use the pad of paper here. So I'm going to make my XY chart. And I want to see if 4x, let's try 0. If x is 0, what would be the y? So if 4 times 0 plus y equals 1, well 4 times 0 is 0. So that's 0 plus y equals 1. Well, that's gone, so we're left with just y equals 1. So if x is 0, y has to be 1 for this side to be 1. So that was easy. But now I got to find a second point. So let's try x is 1. Let's just go one more up. So if I go 4 times 1 plus y equals 1. So if x is 1, what will the y be? Well, if I go 4 times 1 is 4 plus y equals 1. So 4 plus something has to equal 1. So the opposite of positive 4 is -4, -4. So that cancels. I end up with y equals 1 minus 4 is -3. Okay, so y would be -3. So I got 2 points. That was an easier one. So I got 2 points here. I got if x is 0, y is 1. So if x is 0, y is 1, it'll put me right at this point right here. Okay? And then the next one, if x is 1, y is -3. So if x is 1, y is 1, 2, 3, -3. So I got my 2 points. And I go this way. Line them up. Can I get better glasses here for this, or better light? And that would be my line. Okay, so it's, and you can see the slope here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, yeah, it works. There's my next point there. So if you did this in the equation, if you said x is -1, well, the y would be a 5 if in order for it to be 1 on this side. Okay, so there's the first line. Now I got to do the second one. X plus y equals -2. So down here I'm going to go x plus y equals -2. So do my chart, my x on this side, and y. Oh, this one's not too bad. If I always like starting with x is 0, see what I get. So x is 0 plus y equals -2. Well, 0 goes away, so I got y equals -2. And oh, I like this, it'll be the same. If I make this side 0, the y is 0. So if I have x plus 0 equals -2, well, if the y is 0, the x also has to be -2. So this side would be -2. All right, so I got 2 points on the graph, so I don't have to go any farther. So the second one, I got 0 for the x, and y would be -2. So I have to go 0, 0, 1, 2. I got to go down. I almost was going up there. Okay, and then if x is -2, I go -1, -2, and y is 0. I just stay right here on the line. Okay, so then I draw the the line here, sorry, I gotta get better glasses. Better lighting. And there it is, and you can see it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's crosses there. So you can see here is where it crosses. Well, actually, it's 1 over, 1 down, 1 over, 1 down, 1 over, 1 down. So if I drew that line a little better, you can see that will be the point where it crosses. And you can compare it to the printed one. Yep, it's right there where the 2 crosses. So that would be the answer. If we drew the point where the 2 lines cross, it'll be the x will have to be 1 over. So the x is 1, and the y would be 1, 2, 3 down. Okay, or I'm sorry, negative 3. So down would be negative 3. Okay, and that's, you can see in the picture, that's that one. Okay, so hopefully you're starting to see how these work. Here are these, we got this room to work on down here. But yeah, this is kind of a long way of doing it. They have other ways of doing it. That's what lesson 63 and 64 are. Okay, probably one more example here.